Winter Emergency Car Kit Necessities. An emergency car kit is especially crucial during the winter months for several reasons. Roadside emergencies, visibility challenges, and delayed assistance are only a few of the situations you may encounter while traveling in your car during the winter. Being prepared for any type of winter emergency while in the car includes having the following items in your car at all times. Blankets or sleeping bags. Warm clothing, pack extra layers. Water bottles. First aid kit and any necessary prescription medications. Flashlight with extra batteries. Jumper cables. Ice scraper and snow brush. A shovel if your car gets stuck in snow. Traction aids. Tow rope or chain. Portable phone charger. Multi-purpose tool or knife. Fire extinguisher. Tire pressure gauge to check and maintain a proper tire pressure. Keep physical maps in case GPS fails. Stay safe on winter roads with these essential tips and a well-prepared car safety kit. Drive smart, stay warm, and make every winter journey safe and secure.